So today is going to be February's top box versus top box. So one of them is a privy box and then the other one is not. If you guys are new, welcome to my channel and thanks for joining us. If you are not new, welcome back and thanks for joining us as well. If you guys have not already, please hit the subscribe button and click the notification bell so you're getting the notifications of when my upcoming videos are coming out so you can get these fun videos and some fun unboxings. Alrighty, let's just jump into it. Let's see. Well, let's start with this one. This is my privy box, and this is what I chose. This is the Ren. I don't know. Clean Skin Care sunscreen. This is a mineral sunscreen. It is SPF 30, and it is a mattifying face sunscreen. I don't know if it's waterproof. I probably should have figured that out before I wore it. So I was just recently in Mexico and I actually got this right before I went. And I actually brought it with me, so I have tested it out. It hasn't bothered my skin. The only thing weird about it was that when I used it, it kind of does this like weird thing. So, okay, that's what it looks like here. And then that's what it looks like on your skin. And when you blend it in like this, it mattes out, but it kind of makes things look a bit lighter. So that was my only issue with this product. It smells really good. It smells really clean. It kind of smells like, well, it smells like cleaner. There is 22% zinc oxide in it, which is that stuff, which is why it probably makes your face white. There is passion fruit extracts that helps protect against free radicals, and rice starch, which probably is also another reason why my face felt like it was whiter. And that's what actually helps with the mattifying. So this is a 50 milliliter bottle and it is a great size. I'm pretty sure it's full size. I actually really enjoyed this. So that was in that box. Now let's open up this one and see what's in here. So first off, it's got obviously the top box. I see some interesting things in here. I don't know if my camera will zoom in. So there's a few brands in here that are a few things from the same brand, and it's from Floss. I have never heard of this brand, and this is my new favorite lip gloss, and it is in the color LAX. Never really heard of this brand, so should be interesting. This is what it looks like. This is the color, obviously. It looks like it's in a clear tube, so it's a very light pinky nude color. This is a lip gloss, so it smells like cake. That's the doe foot applicator. Let's just try it on. Oh, it's kind of nice. This is something I might actually keep. It's cute. I'm not really a huge fan of lip gloss, but when my hair is up, it's okay. And this is 53 ounces, so I think it's a full-size lip gloss, so that's awesome. And then I guess we'll just take a look at this right here. This is, again, from Floss, and it does say on the package it's never tested on animals. And this is in Maui, I think it's called. I'm assuming that's what it's called, Maui. And it's got it's pink. So there is what it looks like. So I'm definitely getting ColourPop vibes from this. And that's the color. Let's see. Oh, it's definitely a dry eyeshadow. It's okay. No, my camera's not picking it up. It's not very creamy, so it's not like the Super Shock shadows, but I guess I could give it a try. This isn't really something I would gravitate towards, but the color's pretty. And there are two more things in here, and there's this here, and this is, we've gotten a few of these before, and this is the VO Source Hydrating Cream in Sherbet, and it's for sensitive skin. It's just a clear, regular kind of cream. This is a bit bigger than I think the normal ones we normally get. It doesn't smell like anything. Definitely, it's kind of like, It's a bit tacky, but not that bad. This is 10 milliliters, so that's a pretty decent sample size. And the last thing in here is this here. Not sure what that brand is. This is the Glow Shimmer Lotion. This is technically step 3, which we've gotten something from them before, but I really don't know what. I don't remember. Oh, I think there's a blush. This is a shimmer lotion. That's what it says on the package. Let's see what it looks like. This looks like a lip gloss, honestly. This is what the packaging looks like. Incandescent liquid that lights up the skin with all over radiance. Mix with foundation or wear alone. And that's what it looks like. So it's a little bit of a light pink, obviously. Oh, that's actually kind of nice. Okay. And this is in 8 milliliters, so that's actually a pretty decent sample size. Well, I guess that was everything in this month's top box, so February's top box. Between this box and this box, I think this box wins out because I do like the idea of having a face sunscreen that is matte and not shiny, which is cute because I don't really wear like makeup over top of it unless it's like during the summer here, but not bad for this month, that's for sure. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed this video and I hope you guys have a great day. Bye!